Bitcoin is forming this neckline at the $43,600 level. It's a line of resistance. We've tried to break above it a few times, but now what has formed in the chart is this very bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have a shoulder, a head, another shoulder formed, and today is a very important day, not just for Bitcoin, but all risk assets. If you don't already know, of course, it's FOMC day, the Fed interest rate decision. Yes, we already know that they're not going to raise rates, and maybe you're watching this after they've done the announcement and they're not going to raise rates. We know that. There's a 95% chance that the interest rate that we currently have, 525 basis points, 550, is going to remain unchanged. What's going to be super important is Jerome Powell's rhetoric, his language, and that is going to have a huge impact on March's FOMC meeting, which means there could be a huge chance that rate cuts happen in the next FOMC. The reason why this is so important now for Bitcoin is markets are forward thinking. They are leading indicators of what's going on in the economy rather than the other way around. Now, the Bitcoin price today is in danger of a huge breakout, not just because of the FOMC, but because of the technicals as well. Let's talk about the key levels here. Quick smash of the like, guys, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the family, guys. It's free to do so. You can always change your mind, hit the bell, and you'll be notified when I post. So you don't need to be a slave to the YouTube algorithm. You could put it that way. Now, let's look at this together. The price range we have is very, very exciting. If you go from the head to the neckline, it's a 13% move, and the move would take the Bitcoin price back up to this major level, 49K. Why is it a major level? Well, it's where we spiked up just the other day. This is the Bitcoin chart on the higher time frame. We have a major level of resistance that goes back 4 years. It goes back from July 2019. So it went all through the previous bull market support, and it just got tagged the other day. And if this price target plays out, 49K, it's going to take us back up to that very interesting resistance point where it may be another resistance. But of course, a lot of people are talking about the big bull flag playing out for Bitcoin right now. And the big bull flag is, as you can see, we have, I'll just draw it very basic. We have a flag, we have this pattern. You could put it into the, into the weekly chart, and it's a bit neater. You could do it like that. But whatever way you do it, we have a bull flag, and this is going to be the next big move for Bitcoin. So let's do a price target together. If you're looking for a place to buy Bitcoin, buy, trade altcoins, there is a great bonus with my 2 affiliated exchanges down below, guys. Bybit, you can get some huge bonuses and benefits by using the link in the video description. And also, if you need a new laptop, do check out the Bing X competition. 5 MacBook Airs are going to be given away in February when you use the link in the video description down below. You sign up, make a deposit of at least $100 and a trade, and you'll be entered into that competition. Both are brilliant crypto trading platforms, and I recommend them. So let's look at the price target here together for Bitcoin. Obviously, FOMC dependent, to get some move to the upside today. But ultimately, I am seeing Bitcoin go to this level in the next few months, and I'm targeting 62K. There are some major levels before that. Let me tell you what they would be. Of course, like I mentioned, 49K. Then we have the 51K level, and then you do need to look across the chart to this sort of $60,000 level. For me, I'm extremely bullish. I remain bullish Bitcoin. The macroeconomic climate is looking good. The S&P 500 broke all-time highs the other day. The 10-year Treasury below the moving average, now on the way to the downside, which is good for risk assets. And the same is to be said about the dollar. The dollar is moving to the downside, getting rejected off the 200-day moving average. So when the dollar is weak, it's good for risk assets. It's good for Bitcoin. It's good for gold. And let me know in the comments what your sentiment is right now. Do you believe that Bitcoin is going to be all-time high prices this year or maybe waiting for next year? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, links are in the video description for your bonuses for a free Telegram AI crypto trading bot, which by the way has won 20 trades on the trot. So I suggest to check that out, and feel free to check out any one of these videos before we go. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.